What is going on YouTube? This is Random Topics with Team here today, and today we're going to discuss how to stop the whistling sound coming out of your toilet. Yes, your toilet. Okay, so as you guys can most likely hear, there's running and it is making a whistling noise. And so we are going to see what is happening back here. So here we have this little thing right here. And you want to turn this like this, all the way to the right. And that is going to stop. It should be in the back of your toilet. It is a little knob like this. Hopefully you guys can see. Try to make it more clear. There we go. Okay, so it is a knob like this. And all you have to do is turn that just like I did. I think I turned it clockwise. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but you guys saw how I just did it. And it is as simple as that. It stopped the whistling. I do not know how that happened. But anyways, yes, the whistling stopped. It is not running anymore. And as we see here, the flush still works. So anyways, I actually did not know how to fix this at first, but I made a video about it whistling in the first place. And and basically someone commented and said, just check the back of it, and said something about that. So I checked the back of it, and it was pretty much as simple as that. The water stopped, the whistling stopped, and yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys all have an amazing Thursday afternoon. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and till next time, guys.